Okay, 2 hours of pre-flight. Short hop. I gotta test all these things anyway. Make sure they're good. I took the FPV cams off of this one to clean them up. This one usually runs 3 cameras. There's a switch on top that lets me switch between the zoom camera and the FPV cam. The DSLR is just a recorder, and it mimics the movements of the other gimbal, which is 3-axis. Okay, how many satellites? 12. Let's go, girl. Fail-safe action works. A lot of wind out here today. Fail-safe function perfect. Orientation correct from takeoff. That's how it's done. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. This particular gimbal, when I first got it, gave me fits to programming on it. I mean, it just gave me fits. Because it's very, very touchy, but it needed to be. Because in flight, especially when you get somewhere where the winds are like they are today, and you know, if you got a gimbal that's fast and jerky, you know, you can miss things. And the deal with these particular copter tasking is that they have to be very, very precise.
Telemetry lost.
Yeah, I know, baby. All right, that's one down. Let's go get the other one.